West Bengal. What did you say?
I think this is only vendetta and political targeting, and it is unfortunate. Bharatiya Janata Party has been given a very decisive mandate by the people of West Bengal to ensure that the poll promises that were made to them, development promises that were made to them would be fulfilled. But to target opposition leaders such as Abhishek Banerjee just because by the virtue of winning, on the basis of some comments that were made during election rallies, we must remember that during the election campaigning, many things are said, many things are spoken. Even the Prime Minister is guilty of having spoken so many things. Amit Shah ji has been found guilty of saying provocative things. So just to target Abhishek Banerjee speaks of political vendetta, and that speaks of how Bharatiya Janata Party continues to target opposition leaders just by the virtue of having all the tools of power under their belt. For West Bengal to see progress and development should not come at the expense of targeting opposition.
Aim right, achieve big. At KR Mangalam University, we provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
Actually, it's not just one suicide. There are 3 such suicides that have taken place. And yes, I agree with what Rahul Gandhi is saying, because these are murders committed by the government of India by totally disregarding the mental stress and mental agony of lakhs of students who prepare for these exams. Please understand, a medical exam is anyway not an easy process to clear. They spend their entire year training for it, preparing for it, and to be told after giving an exam and after getting the answer key and realizing they've done well, and to be told, and I'm sorry, your entire exam has been invalidated because there has been a paper leak, because y'all couldn't keep the system leak proof, goes to show that this is not a suicide, but someone has been compelled to take their own life because of failure of an entire system which disregards the pain and agony of the students. It is extremely unfortunate, and who will pay a price for the deaths of these innocent young students who had probably dreams in their eyes, and they saw their dreams crashing down because of a paper leak coming out of a nexus that exists, the corrupt nexus that exists of the paper setters, of the NTA, of the political people who are in power, and many other people who are part of this mafia. People of this country will not forget it, not forgive them, and will ensure that they will be held accountable.